This video will show you how to install your new glass break sensor using step-by-step instructions. Remember, if you need help with any part of this installation, simply call TELUS Smart Home Technical Support at 1-855-255-8828. In addition to the included screws and 3-volt battery, you'll also need a Phillips screwdriver and a stepladder. To begin, pull the battery tab from the device. Then, you'll want to connect the glass break sensor to your TELUS Smart Home. First, log into your TELUS Smart Home app. Click on the menu button in the top left corner. Select Add Device. Select Sensors. Choose Shock Glass Break Detector. Choose Begin Installation. It will ask you for the sensor ID. Find your sensor ID on top of the device. You'll need to install your glass break sensor in a good location in order for it to work properly. On a wall opposite to the windows is the ideal location. However, it will also work if mounted on the ceiling. If you're mounting it on the wall, the sensor should be mounted at least 6 feet off the floor, but not within 12 inches of the ceiling. You should mount it a minimum of 3 feet from the glass or window. Of course, where not to install it is just as important. The sensor should not be installed inside glass airlocks and glass vestibule areas. Avoid garages and noisy rooms such as kitchens. Do not install in small utility rooms, stairwells, and small bathrooms. And avoid humid rooms. To install your glass break sensor, first mount the base to the wall using the drywall mounts or tape. Next, put the cover on the base and secure with a screw. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your glass break sensor.